Buongiorno, good morning. Credo che, visto il programma molto denso, sia bene iniziare, anche se ancora mancano un po' di persone. Mi dispiace, ma è mio ruolo anche quello di tenere un po' i tempi. It's a pleasure to introduce Dr. Sonia Herranth Raya, correct? It's a privilege because she is so expert in this field that all of us are really can't stand hearing her about the reactivation of ovaries. We were saying a couple of minutes ago with Sonia that we prefer, it's important to choose the right words. That is reactivation, not rejuvenation, because rejuvenation creates a sort of false perspective, which is not possible in actual facts. So what researchers are trying to do is to reactivate, in a way or in another, the ovaries, especially in young women with premature ovarian insufficiency, young women before the age of 40. This type of insufficiency is quite frequent. I mean, about 1% in the general population, which is really something that make young people come to our offices to ask what happened what is happening to my ovaries, what is happening to my possibility of reproduction. The first line should be to preserve fertility in cases there are some gametes left in the ovaries. So oocyte cryopreservation. In our experience at the University of Bologna, we tried to do it, and we have several cases in which we were able to freeze, cryopreserve an acceptable number of oocytes. I mean, 5, 6 oocytes are not so many, but we have to consider that these girls are on the border of menopause. What can we do in case the menopause is really in the everyday story of these girls? The possibility of reactivation, but I don't want to anticipate anything that will be tell us to Sonia. The possibility are PRP, which is a concentrate of platelets, and this is something we did at the University of Bologna. The results are still conflicting, in my opinion. It seems to improve anti-Mullerian hormone levels and the number of follicles, but the significance is borderline. What else? We have the stem cells, and Dr. Sonia Herranth has a huge experience in this field. It is an invasive procedure, costly procedure, but in her experience, it seems to work. In addition, there is the possibility to inject mitochondrial patrimonium. It is, even in this case, experimental and intriguing procedure that is not so easy to be applied, and also the in vitro activation, which is even more complicated because it implies the use of it implies also the surgical biopsy of ovaries and a treatment which is not so easy to be used routinely. All these possibilities, I think, are under research, and I think that all of us as a community should cooperate to find a solution, or at least a little help to these young girls. Sonia, it's my pleasure to invite you to come here and tell all you are doing. Thank you very much.